to part 2 of how to make the calculator. I made this okay with the first line, but just a little too quick, right? So now I'm going to increase it to first number. calculator. Goodbye, guys.